Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the WESOKY folding shopping cart or grocery cart, or in case you need to carry any of your files, anything to your office, with the 6 stair climbing wheels. Or even you can use this for your laundry cart or utility cart with the adjustable bungee cord, and come with a 45 liter removable shopping bag. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to Nancy from their marketing team for sending me this. They have a blue color or a black color. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox this and show you guys how to install this or put it together. And it is made in China. Unfortunately, during the shipping, this box was cut open on the top and on this side. So hopefully nothing got damaged. So it's pretty nice and compact when it's folded. So this is one of the wheel, and this is another one. And this is the 45 liter bag. Come with the Velcro, so you can strap it on the frame. So this thing is to lock the frame in a straight position. Okay. So we will need to install the wheels, so let's go and do that. It's like a rollerblade wheels or scooter wheels. And there's your bearings. Okay, check out where's the bolts. here. Then instruction booklet. Come with this plastic yellow piece for the bottom in case you got something to drip or whatever when you carry, so it's easy to clean. And here's your hook with the adjustable buckle. It's a bungee cord, so you can strap in case carrying like boxes or other stuff. Very nice. Come with the Allen key. And you got the nut and bolt. So this one's a pretty cool design. The nut is fit in right to the groove right there. Let me show you guys. So you don't need any special tool. Just the Allen key. That's it. Okay. So make sure the nut is set right into the position, and just kind of hand tight it right now, so it's very tight. And all you need to do is just push the nut upward. Kind of give it like a support on the nut. And you don't want to hold it too tight. And you don't want it too loose either. Okay. Let's flip over and do the other side. Oh, make sure the bigger is facing the outward, okay? See this one? So the other side I need to take it out again. I put it in the wrong way. See, I put it the wrong way. Those are rivets. we're gonna go and try on the stairs. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description, and make sure you click on the discount box. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.